What's up, YouTube? I got our 2012 Nissan Rogue here, the 2.5S. This is the driver's side for you United States folks here. I'm just going to show you real quick here how to access the engine air filter here. So here's the battery for reference. It's right behind it. And basically there's these little tabs right here that if you push in from below, as you can see, push in and push up, it pops it out. And you'll do the same thing over here. Push in, and it just pops right out. And then once that pops out, you lay it like that, and there is your engine air filter. Now this one here is actually still rather new and pretty clean. I was just checking to make sure there's no debris or anything, debris down in there. But this is what your filter looks like when you buy it. So basically just pops right in there like that. Actually, this is the filter here. This is what you get right here. This is the tray that it sits in. So I'm just gonna hit it off. Had a little bit of crap on it, and then you want to sit it with the like this down into your tray, and then the part with that on there, like so, goes in like that. And then what this does is this has this little contraption right here. This goes behind the filter, and that helps to position it. So that way, boom. That is how you change your air filter. Now I didn't really need to change mine. I just figured I'd show you real quick on your 2012. I'm sure this applies to multiple Nissan Rogues, but that's what model this one is here, is a 2012. So hopefully that helps. Watch for more videos. I just did an oil change video, so take a look out for that one, guys. Thanks for watching.